Alright guys, welcome back to the 2006 Polaris 500 rebuild episode 2. In the last episode we got her mostly torn down, as you can see. Today we're going to be getting the gas tank out, drained, get the CVT intake out, basically getting her ripped farther down so we can put this new head on it. No power washing today. I'm going to leave it how it is just because it's a little colder outside and I want some better weather to be outside getting wet and power washing it. So today we're just going to focus on getting it ripped farther down. Stick around to the end. We'll be going over what we will be doing in episode 3. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Talk to you soon. So here is where we are at. Tanks off, intakes are out. That intake down there was god awful. The clamp was in a very bad spot. That really sucked to get at. Working at getting the throttle body off right now. You get this plug out, this plug out. I hate these plugs, but it's alright. What else? Tank is off. Intakes are out, so we'll just be getting the throttle body off here in just a minute, as long as these plugs stop giving me hell. But yeah, it's going. Battery's out. I gotta cut all the bolts out of the floorboards because they're rusted in, won't move. Or they will. Well, they did move until they stopped, and then stripped the bit and stripped the nut out. But we are getting quite far here. So throttle body is off next. We'll be back. Alright, throttle body's off. It's just hanging up over there. It's out of the way. It's alright where it's at. Intake horn, it's got to come off. Fuel comes in. we'll tackle that next, and then we're gonna move on over to doing, we'll get the shifter assembly off, get the linkage all off, get the exhaust off, and then see where else we get today yet. Spilled a bunch of nasty fuel, but oh well. So yeah, and then there's the throttle body just hanging it up right there for the moment. Yeah, we're getting it tore down pretty good. We will see you when we get the intake horn off and start on the exhaust. Alright, now time for my favorite thing. Start pulling exhaust springs. I spent about a half hour looking for my spring puller, and then I decided I don't know where it's at. So old Louie from Power Mods taught me that trick many years ago. So we're gonna try that out and get some of these springs off. Alrighty, exhaust is off. Just gotta get the manifold off, but I think we'll do that next time. I'm thinking we're gonna call it here for now and see what happens next here. We got a lot done today. Basically got as far as we need to pull the head, except for these boards need to get cut off. So we'll do that next time as well. But yeah, bunch of progress today. Got her pretty far torn down. It's actually not in too rough shape either. I mean, she's showing her age a little bit, but for the most part, she just needs a lot of TLC. Get cleaned up, get her running good. The gas that came out of this was like pure green. I think there was a bunch of water in it. Wasn't running very good at all. But yeah, that is as far as we got. Alright guys, this was episode 2. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video and what we had going on today. Again, we're rebuilding the 2006 Sportsman 500. We're going to put a new head on it. So in the next episode, episode 3, we are going to be getting the head pulled off, and then starting the reinstallation process, and then from there, in the next couple episodes after that, we'll end up throwing a new radiator on it, water pump, we'll do an oil change, check out the struts, get her cleaned up because she does need some tender love and care. But yeah, we're making a lot of progress. Next time you see me in this wheeler, we'll be pulling the head off and installing that new head. I gotta get one more gasket. I gotta get a gasket for the intake elbow there. But as always, thanks for stopping by again. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below in the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my other accounts listed below. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.